anything, go anywhere. Me know uno no want nothing wrong with me in a Jamaica. You can good go suffer for the bad. If you don't know what I mean. I am wise, I always
when
do.
You hear that, my viewers? Squash Mother Shelly with a public service announcement. I make you know say uno no want nothing happen to our boy. Cause if anything ever happen to our boy, a whole heap of people are gonna feel it fear. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Reprisal start down a Mobay if you Busshead, you know. Bag a man a drop on them face, you know. Plus Raymond Busshead, dep on camera. I tell them if you shove up them bat, him well want go up his smaddy. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and make you know what I go on, listen to this.
Pussy, see my face a batty boy, brawling. You hear batty boy, brawling. Push up your butt. Batty boy, you know me there already. See my background there. Suck your mother, batty boy. Push up your butt if you're wicked now. And your batty man friend them boy. Go near mouth your mother pussy boy. A boy. No.
When you hear that, my viewers, Mobay badness left from off of the streets and reach on the internet now. Top killer Raymond Busshead, I tell the boy them say if shove up them back no, if him go bust out them head. He must say the boy them too fredy. Them inside, them need to come outside. My viewers, the reprisal killing start and Mobay already for Busshead, you know. The man them go bust out shop down cousin head, you know, and pronounce a next man, you know, and a plan for go dirt more people for Busshead, you know. My people, see the youth them with dirt Busshead. Them already run gun hide, you know. Cause of the whole Mobay and moan for Busshead right now, you know. And anyway the man them hold them a go drop, you know. All them family them have a pack bag and gun, me a tell you, know. Get to youth, you know, hurt it, you know. Cause see it ya, the youth them with dirt Busshead right now, all them own a friend them a turn them back on them, you know. Cause what them do can't rub out, you know. And them themselves never know say this would have come down on them, you know. So see it ya, get to youth, you know, make man program, you know, and press, you know, send you up on mission. And see it ya now, the mission where you go up and you never know you would have under so much pressure right now. You never know say you would have to run away right now. You never know say your family them would have to hide right now. You never know say that judgment you would have come down upon you right now. So as what I say, be a madness I go on a Mobay. And don't feel like say it a go stop in a this year. It a go roll over in a the new year. Cause when you hear where Raymond Busshead I said, oh, him nah stop until he murder a dozen of them. So my viewers, you better stay safe down on the Mobay side and walk with me and now. We may go show you the rest of that video yeah, where Squash Mother say if anybody ever do nothing to our Jamaica, we go see the bloodbath where go on down a Mobay to for she. So now listen to this, my people.
Anything, go anywhere. Me know uno no want nothing wrong with me in a Jamaica. You can good go suffer for the bad. If you don't know what I mean. I am wise, I always be wise. So uno just pray for me live. Cause uno no want to start no trouble in a Jamaica with me. No leave me alone cause uno can't hurt me. Uno cannot hurt me. I'm protected by the Most High, which is God. And I will not wish bad for none of uno upon this media. And I will never cast death on none of you upon this media. You care how you see a little clown idiot, madman, blam them like one. I don't want him dead. I want him live as long as salvation lasts. No upon the media where the chat speak it bad of me. I will never wish bad for none of you. And I will never sit down and say yes, him for dead. Thank you, Rich. Never. I will not do them thing there. I will never pray for your next in the way. How must I sit down and pray for people dead when me can't make life? Why would I can't make life? And then me I go take life. Everybody have a dead, you know. Chase Bank, everybody have a dead. Also you too. You hungry? Me have some bun rice from a pot here. I want to come for pull up.
When you hear that, my viewers, dancehall artist Squash Mother Shelly, I say if nothing ever happen to her and Mobay or in a Jamaica, the good a go suffer for the bad. Meaning, a whole heap of people go dead back for her. My viewers, why Squash not tell him mother say to come off of the media? Shelly a big woman, you know. A that with boy, you know. Big woman no like act them age, you know. Them always feel like say them a young girl, you know. And are in competition with the youngins them, you know. Look at this, my viewers. Most of the people them were Shelly up on the internet I go toe-to-toe with. She could have been them mother, you know. So why you gonna argue with little pitney? Why you gonna argue with some waste boy and some waste girl if uno so important? Eh? We no see rich people argue with nobody. Go up a Cherry Garden and Beverly Hills right now. We no see them a warp on TikTok or a cuss out them one another. The ghetto will always be the ghetto. And all when you take ghetto people out of ghetto, it's like them can't even change me and tell you no. Cause see it here, Shelly, you say you're alright, you say you're comfortable, so you no need for them on the media argue with people. It no look good. Just remember that you're a big woman, how much pitney you have, how much grand pitney you have. And at this, them I see you go on with on the media, eh? I go toe-to-toe with people. Low Raymond Busshead them for do this. Low Blam them for do this. And all type of blogger them and TikToker them for do this. But you should not do this. You see me? And our friend them can't even tell her. You see say no for uno na no real friend round uno. No for uno friend just talk to uno cause them want talk to uno. Or them just call uno for hear about uno business and then go chat uno with other friend. No for uno friend no real me I tell uno. Cause your friend should have been me you know say. You're a big woman. Your son a big dancehall artist. Where you do pan media go toe-to-toe with people. Eh? See it my viewers. Mobay mash up. And because of this, all type of war, all type of fight. Nobody no respect, nobody boy. Negative. A win over positive. So my viewers, wanna stay safe out there. Protect phone 3 points. Until next time. Happy holidays. And Merry Christmas when it come. When you hear that, my viewers?